Could your bank account survive if things suddenly got worse next week? Sounds like a heavy question, right? But that's the reality for millions when prices shoot up, paychecks vanish, or markets crash without warning. Most people feel financially okay until life flips the switch. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful, practical, and proven ways to protect your money, especially when the economy gets unpredictable. Stick with me, because these aren't just usual tips. Instead, they're the most important survival tips. Let's dive in. 1. Build a survival-first budget, not a comfort budget. Let's get one thing straight, your regular budget might not work in a crisis. When the economy goes shaky, you've got to flip your mindset. It's no longer about comfort, it's about survival. That means cutting the fluff and putting your money where it matters most: rent, groceries, medicine, electricity. Essentials only. A survival-first budget draws a line between what you want and what you actually need to live safely. And once you do this, it's eye-opening how much money quietly leaks into things like unused subscriptions, impulsive takeout, or random shopping. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Can I afford the risk of wasting this?" You'll start noticing patterns in your spending you didn't even realize were there. This habit builds your financial muscle. And the best part? You gain confidence knowing you're not just scraping by, you're staying ahead of the storm, on your terms. Plus, it gives you permission to focus on what truly matters, like your peace of mind and your future security. The more control you feel over your spending, the less control fear has over your life. 2. Create an emergency fund like your life depends on it, because it might. Let's be honest, life throws curveballs, and they don't wait for your paycheck. That's where your emergency fund steps in. It's not just a pile of money, it's peace of mind. It means when your car breaks down, your job takes a hit, or medical bills land in your lap, you're not panicking. You're prepared. The goal? Try to save enough to cover at least 6 months of your basic expenses. But don't stress if that sounds huge. Start with small wins, $100 a week, $500 a month, whatever you can. The magic happens when you're consistent. Treat your emergency fund like rent, it's non-negotiable. Keep it separate from your main bank account so you're not tempted to dip in for online sales or random cravings. And you know what? Just knowing that money is sitting there, untouched, gives you a sense of calm most people don't feel in a crisis. It's your cushion, your backup plan, your power. It's the silent support system that allows you to make smart decisions under pressure. And when others are stressed, you'll be steady, because you planned ahead. 3. Slash bad debt before it slashes you. Here's the brutal truth: bad debt doesn't just drain your wallet, it drains your options. During a recession, debt isn't just inconvenient. It's dangerous. High-interest credit cards, overdue Emmys, personal loans, they all grow faster when your income shrinks. And that's a race you don't want to lose. That's why now is the time to get aggressive. Start with the debt that's bleeding you dry: credit cards, payday loans, anything with high interest. Knock those down first. Even if it's just one small payment, it builds momentum. If it feels overwhelming, call your lender. Many offer lower interest plans or temporary relief, but you've got to ask. And here's a mindset shift: don't take loans to impress people or maintain appearances. No one cares if you've got the latest phone when you're drowning in bills. Clearing debt is like clearing fog: you'll see your money future more clearly, and breathe easier every day. And the best part? Every debt you clear is like giving yourself a raise that you never have to pay back. The more you reduce what you owe, the more freedom you gain, and that's priceless. 4. Unlock extra income streams, no degree or big investment needed. Let's talk about real life. If your only income comes from one job, you're one email away from financial stress. That's scary. But it doesn't have to be. Adding a second income stream isn't about becoming rich overnight, it's about building a backup engine that keeps you moving if the main one stalls. And no, you don't need a fancy degree or big capital to start. Got a skill? Teach it. Good at baking, painting, editing, writing? There's a market for it. You could tutor online, design digital products, take freelance gigs, or sell homemade snacks from your kitchen. Even an extra 3,000 Indian rupees to 5,000 Indian rupees a month can cover groceries or top up your emergency savings. It's not about going viral, it's about getting started. The moment you earn your first rupee outside your main job, something shifts. You realize you're not stuck. You're capable. And that feeling? That's freedom. Every side hustle you start adds a layer of security to your life. Over time, those small efforts can snowball into something truly sustainable and even scalable. 5. Master the art of necessary investment. Most people stop investing when the economy dips. But that's usually when the best opportunities appear, if you know what you're doing. Investing during tough times isn't about taking wild risks. It's about planting seeds while everyone else is running for cover. The best way to do this? Try rupee cost averaging. It's simple, you invest the same amount each month, no matter what the market looks like. That way, you buy more when prices are low, and less when prices are high. Over time, you ride out the roller coaster instead of falling off it. And don't forget, investing isn't just stocks and funds. Investing in yourself can pay off even more. Learn a new skill, get certified, and improve your craft. That could lead to higher paying jobs, freelance work, or even your own business. Recession or not, those are returns worth chasing. So while everyone else pauses their plans, you quietly build your future, and that's a power move. The truth is, investment isn't about timing the market, it's about committing to your long-term growth. And when you take the first step, even during a downturn, you prove to yourself that progress is always possible. These 5 money moves aren't just techniques, they're your defense plan when the economy gets tough. Each one puts you back in control, helping you avoid panic, stay focused, and make decisions from a place of power instead of fear. Budgeting smartly, building emergency savings, tackling dangerous debts, exploring extra income streams, and making wise investments, these aren't things you do later. These are things that protect you now and shape your future. They help you breathe easier when life feels tight and open doors when others feel stuck. If this video helped you in any way, go ahead and like it, share it with someone who could use it, and hit that subscribe button so you're always a step ahead with your finances. Also drop in the comments what financial risk topic should AI help you understand next? Let's tackle it together in a future video. Thanks for watching.